Good evening, my friends. Happy Wednesday to all of you. So there are huge updates on the $1,400 stimulus package. President Biden is now working with Democrats and Republicans to take immediate action on the next relief legislation. Our top lawmakers are debating on how much the next round of stimulus relief payments should be worth. So, dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaways, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Also, friends, the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway.
So it's easy for farmers to conserve inputs and double crop. For folks at home who don't know what double cropping means, harvesting two different crops from the same field in the same year. And that's what Jeff does with wheat and soybeans, which America is the top producer of soybeans. And wheat will be harvested around July 4th if all goes well, God willing, and the creek not rising, as my grandfather would say. But look, then you plant soybeans in the same acreage. And he'll tell you, double cropping comes with some real risks. Growing season for wheat is short, and if the weather conditions aren't ideal, or aren't at least good, or there are other disruptions, then the timing of everything is thrown off. But it's a risk we need to take. That's why my administration is looking at how to extend crop insurance coverage to give financial security to farmers like Jeff who practice double cropping. Secondly, I want to also, farmers worried about rising fertilizer costs and what is the content of the fertilizer.
President Biden is trying to take action immediately and address the rising inflation. Biden said he could drop some of the tariffs imposed against imports to help control rising consumer prices in the United States. This comes just as Wall Street braces for another inflation report north of 8%. The White House is reviewing the penalties imposed under the former president. And according to CNBC News, this raised prices on everything from diapers to clothing and furniture. President Biden has said he is thinking about opting to remove tariffs altogether. The extent to which removing the former president's taxes on products would cool inflation is a matter of debate among economists. Many say easing or removing the tariffs altogether is among the few options available to the White House. The White House is eager to pull every lever available to ease cost. The president reiterated that the crisis has caused prices in the United States to jump at their fastest pace since the early 1980s. President Biden said in a speech today, "I want every American to know that I am taking inflation very seriously. The first cause of inflation is a once-in-a-century crisis. Not only did it shut down our global economy, it threw supply chains and demand completely out of whack." Economists say the crisis is to blame for inflation's 8.5% rise over last year through March of this year. Economists polled by Dow Jones expect that report to show inflation rose 8.1% in the 12 months ending in April. While some economic measures have staged remarkable rebounds, the U.S. employment rate held steady at a low 3.6% last month. Higher gas and grocery bills continue to erode paychecks and spark angst across the country. Biden has in recent weeks sought to ease those frustrations through regular speeches. And just last week, President Biden touted sizable reductions in the federal deficit this fiscal year as a key departure from what he characterized as rampant spending by his Republican predecessor and a step towards fiscal responsibility and lower prices. Republicans argue that the rash of inflation is, in large part, thanks to the Democrats' ambitious economic policies, including trillions in stimulus relief in the American Rescue Plan, as well as a bipartisan infrastructure law that President Biden signed in 2021. The GOP also points out that federal spending might have been higher, and the expected deficit larger if Biden and his Democratic colleagues had managed to pass a suite of climate, housing, and workforce legislation, once known as the Build Back Better plan. President Biden told reporters, "What's the congressional Republican plan? They don't want to solve inflation by lowering your costs. They want to solve it by raising your taxes and lowering your income. Their plan is to actually going to make working families poorer." So my friends, do you think that inflation will ever come down anytime soon? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. President Biden is taking a hard look at canceling some federal student loan debt, but even a broad forgiveness plan may leave out some of the 43 million borrowers. President Biden has indicated that if he does take action to provide more student loan debt forgiveness, he may limit the relief to $10,000 per person, as well as exclude wealthier borrowers. Friends, the keyword for this video is Magnolia. If you would like to enter today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is Magnolia, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, my friends. His administration has already canceled more than $17 billion of the $1.6 trillion in outstanding federal student debt by expanding existing forgiveness programs for public sector workers and borrowers who were defrauded by for-profit colleges. In addition, he's extended the crisis-related pause on student loan payments 4 times, most recently moving the expiration date from May 1st to August 31st, 2022. But those actions fall short of a campaign pledge that Biden made to more broadly cancel student debt. He's also facing pressure to do more from other Democrats who are urging him to cancel $50,000 per borrower. Earlier this month, White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki said that the president is using his campaign comments about providing student loan forgiveness to individuals making less than $125,000 a year as a frame for his current considerations. So, dear friends, should all student loan debt be forgiven completely? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. To say thank you, I'm giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. In a video later today, friends, I will be announcing the winner of today's giveaway, so make sure that you stay tuned. Thank you so much, everyone, and please have a wonderful and blessed Wednesday.